Alright, next we're going to put in the main PCB for the phaser. Make sure you have it in the right direction. You have an 8-pin plug, goes to the rear. This is your 8-pin plug, and your larger one is going to connect to your IR laser as well as your hand sensor. Alright, there are the two spots I'm going to end up gluing it on the board are located around in this area here, because there's no electronics on either side, and same with this area right here. That's where I end up putting my drops of hot glue into my housing to set it. There are 3 supports for your board here. Just a piece of advice, the board should not rest against those. If you push it back and let the glue set up and let it rest against those, it's not designed for the housing to seal up. You'd want, when you let it cool, let it rest off of those boards, or these supports right here, about a 1/16 of an inch. You just want it to be off of there. I already know where to place my hot glue drops. You'll have to judge yourself. You can go ahead and put the board in, see how it sets, and know where to put your hot glue. Make sure when you seat it in, it seats in flat. Don't let it kick up one way or the other way. It's got to seat flat in that space. Drop a hot glue there, hot glue there. Set the board in. Make sure to elevate it off of the back supports. You almost make it, if you look in the back, you'll see there needs to be a parallel gap underneath that board. Take you some air in a can, and you can freeze that hot glue out quick, and you're done. That's your board installed.